Welcome to our channel, Andro Tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to turn your photos into dancing videos using Viggle AI. It's easy, fast, and a lot of fun. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. Prepare your photo. First, make sure you have the photo you want to use. It can be any photo you like as long as it's clear and ready to go. We'll be bringing this photo to life with movement. Step 2. Access Viggle AI. Next, open your browser and type Viggle.ai. You can do this on your phone, laptop, or desktop, whatever works best for you. Once you're on the site, click Try on Web. Now, if you haven't made an account yet, go ahead and sign up. You can do this easily with your Google account or by using your email. Step 3. Explore the features of Viggle AI. Viggle AI offers 3 powerful features: Mix, Multi, and Move. Let's take a quick look at what each of them does. Mix. With just one click, you can replace characters in your video. It's perfect for quickly switching out visuals or changing the background. Multi. This feature allows you to change several characters in a video all at once. Great for complex edits without extra hassle. Move. This is where the magic happens. Move allows you to make static images or characters come to life and move naturally. Ideal for making your photos dance. Step 4. Making your video. Now, let's make our dancing video using the Mix feature. First, select the photo you prepared earlier. Next, choose the movement. You can either use the preset templates provided or upload your own short video, up to 30 seconds, for a custom movement. Step 5. Customize your background. Once your photo and movement are set, it's time to choose your background. You can stick with the original, go with a white or green screen, or even upload your own custom background. Step 6. Create and download. Now that everything's ready, just click Create and wait a few moments for Viggle AI to work its magic. Once it's done, you can download your brand new dancing video. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've transformed a still photo into an animated dancing video using Viggle AI. It's that easy. Feel free to explore the different features and get creative with your videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, share your creations in the comments, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.